October is the month David Bruns tries to avoid talking about particular spiders.
In this case, I'll make an exception. And I will acknowledge that this is really the time of year that we have our seasonal infestation of giant monstrous spiders in many of our neighborhoods.
Perhaps you've seen them or even eaten them. They are everywhere.
Those monstrous spiders are make-believe. Real spiders are not monsters. In fact, they're pretty small. A real spider the size of a cricket would be considered to be a big spider by most people. I mean, they're small enough that I could see. Here's a spider that I just have in a vial from inside my pocket. This is a harmless house spider.
As a conservation educator for the Missouri Department of Conservation, Bruns has an abundance of show-and-tell spiders from the real spiders he collects.
Notice how it holds the front two legs together?
To the photographs. Bruns may have the largest collection in the Midwest.
I don't know of anybody that has as large of a collection of digital images of spider diversity as myself. And my photos really became the collection.
Bruns has several thousand photographs, 160 species of spiders.
All of the digital images that I collected have data that's connected to that.
It's combining art with science. Yet Bruns realizes one common perception people have.
The thing about spiders is they're freaky. They're freaky. They have weird eyes. They have 8 legs. They jump or move in a jerky motion, which startles us a little bit. But I know that the spider is not going to hurt me. The spider has absolutely no interest in biting anybody.
Bruns wants everyone to become familiar and not afraid.
Missouri has over 450 spider species that have been documented, and there's probably about 50 more that just haven't been found and documented at this time. Of all of those hundreds of species, there's really only 2 species that have medically significant venom for humans. That would be the brown recluse and the black widow. In more suburban and metropolitan areas, we're really not encountering black widow spiders. They're really more of a rural species. One of the things that I think about with brown recluse, when people talk about infestations, the first question that pops into my head is, how much stuff are you storing in cardboard boxes? Because that is their habitat. That's where we find that they're living and breeding.
But Bruns wants people to know almost all spiders are harmless. So don't be afraid of being out in nature. Just stop. Take a deep breath. Don't be afraid. Take a closer look at the webs, see the beauty, and watch.
Spiders are unsung, freaky heroes. And their superpower isn't just the diversity of spiders, but it's their abundance. About every week or 10 days, a spider is eating the equivalent of its body weight in insect pests. An acre of natural habitat or cropland, and that acre contains tens of thousands of spiders eating the equivalent of their body weight every week or so of insects. And these are the insects that would want to eat our trees, they would want to eat our gardens, they would want to eat our food crops. Just imagine what would happen if those spiders weren't there. You know, Halloween is the one holiday of the year that people celebrate spiders. Only we celebrate them as monsters.
It's okay to have fun with the idea of scary spiders because, as Bruns says, those monsters are make-believe.